Assalamu alaikum guys. Just before we start the video, I would like to thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. It's a great milestone, mashallah, and inshallah we'll soon reach 150 subscribers. This video is a subscriber special. Okay, let's start. You have definitely heard of computer science, and perhaps some of you have even thought about trying it, but you've most likely decided not to, unless you're a programmer, for bland reasons, like you're not good at math, or there are already enough programs in the world. This article will point you in the right direction. Come up with a simple project. Don't skip this step, it's more important than you think. It's actually what gives you motivation to achieve a goal. Thought of it? Great. Now go to the next step. Get the software you'll need. It can be as simple as a text editor, as long as you use the correct extension, or an entire IDE or integrated development environment altogether. Choose what fits your needs. Join communities about how to start coding. Here are the top 4 sites for asking questions related to programming. Reddit, Stack Overflow, Meetup, and hackathons are all great options. Read a few books. There are loads of books out there on how to start coding. Reading a book can really help you to get grips with the programming theory. The main downside is that if you get stuck, it's hard to ask a book for help. They're great for broad ideas and concepts, or learning while you're away from the computer, but without constant practice, you might become disheartened. Learn to code with YouTube. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials, so choose ones that fit your learning style. Some great channels for this purpose are Code with Mosh, Free Code Camp, The Coding Train, CS Dojo, and Traversy Media. Listen to a podcast. Podcasts are a great way of learning while you're traveling. Though you won't learn specific syntax, they'll help you wrap your head around the theory. You should try Code Newbie, Learn to Code, and Coding Blocks for Ideas. Run through your tutorial. Tutorials are really good ways to get your head around something. There are different tutorials for different things. Some tutorials start from the very beginning to start a new project, whilst others are short ones like bug fixes. Try some games on how to start coding. These are like puzzles. Some have problems in the code you need to fix, while others want you to get a specific goal in every puzzle. Either way, you are still practicing your skills, which is exactly what you need at this point. Here are a few good ones to try. Code Combat, Code Wars, and Coding Game. Take a coding bootcamp. When it comes to how to start coding, nothing can beat an actual teacher. In a coding bootcamp, you'll put in an immersive learning environment that takes you from coding pupil to self-sufficient programmer in 14 weeks. These are for people who want a job in tech as soon as possible. If that isn't you, this step isn't required, but totally recommended. Last of all, make sure you want to code. If you're not interested, then you're missing the most important part. To do this, you need the motivation and confidence. While you're at it, you might want to watch some of my videos. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss my videos. Press like if you like, and press dislike if you don't. I'll see you in the next video.